Hello viewers, Chef Thomas here again. Today I'm going to show you how to make roast potatoes. These are the ingredients that we're going to use. Some potatoes already peeled, paprika, a bit of Cajun spice, garlic oil, rosemary leaves, salt and pepper, and duck fat. I'm going to blanch the potatoes for about 25 minutes. Our boiled potatoes are ready. I'm going to put them in the gastronom like that. A bit of Cajun spice, paprika, some garlic oil, and some salt, and a bit of pepper here. And then shake them like that. Let them mix evenly. I'm going to use this duck fat later when it's almost ready, just to get the flavor. We're going to put them on a tray here, okay, just like that. Then grab yourself some rosemary leaves, you just move like that, and change them like that. And then put them in the oven, 180 degrees for 45 minutes. And this one depends on the size of the potatoes. A bit smaller, takes shorter time. If they're big, longer time. Chuck the potatoes in the oven and your temperature to 180 degrees for about 45 minutes. Okay. I'm going to have a look at the roast potatoes, how they're doing. At this point, I'm going to add a little bit of the duck fat, just for flavor. Okay, just like that, and then put them back in the oven. Okay, we still have 16 minutes to go. Whoa, our roast potatoes are ready. Look at that. Nice and golden brown. Easy to make. You can do this at home.